Not just any God, not just bland, not just melancholy, not just mediocre, but I know what you are able to do. And I stand in awe of that. And you inspire me, you encourage me, you push me. You're that God, the one that keeps your gracious covenant. He says, I know about your faithfulness. And I know some of us can attest to the faithfulness of God. I see you. I know your hand is raised. It said, great is his faithfulness. That's right. And he says, and I know your favor. Because if it had not been for your favor on my side, the doors that I walked through would not have been open to me. The tables that I sat at, I would not be able to sit at. The things that I have done, the giftings that you have given, the abilities that you have possessed and you have downloaded to me, the things that you have allowed me to do, I could not have done. You are the God of heaven. You are all, you're inspiring. You are gracious. Father, I thank you.